Simple. So only just yesterday we have seen there two terms. It's squares, cubes, okay, and its sign changes. But here now a plus b plus c bracket square. So we'll write into two different bracket like this. Suppose a plus b plus c one minute.
Hey, Kush Oswal. What's the problem with you, Kush? What's the problem with you? Why are you unmuting yourself again and again? And it is getting disturbed then.
So a plus b, thank you, sir. A plus b plus c. We have to do their multiplication of these two brackets. Okay. So now here, take one by one letter a multiply to second bracket a plus b plus c, and here you can write in this square bracket. This is for first. Then for b we are going to take now, right, same thing, b into second bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, then plus, which is now third bracket, that is a c multiply to this second bracket. Okay, so a plus b plus c, and then we'll take one by one its multiplication. So if you will take a into a, what will get here? A square.
A square.
Okay, plus middle sign as it is given here. Okay, which is plus sign, this middle plus sign. A into b will get ab,
AB.
and plus a into c,
AC.
ac. Okay. So this is your first bracket. Now second bracket we are going to write solid b into a, ab.
B.
AB or BA we can write as it is, no problem there. Okay.
Yes,
Then
okay,
B
sir.
into B will get
B square.
B square.
B into C.
BC.
BC.
Okay. Now here plus we have to take C into A. What will get?
CA.
CA or AC. CA or AC.
AC.
Then plus what we have to write now? C into B. You can write
CB.
CB or
BC.
CB or BC. And C into C.
C square.
Now here all places you will see their addition sign is here, correct? So we'll write in bracket a, first a square, all squares will write at one place, a square plus b
B
square
square
plus
plus C square.
c square.
C.
Now here see this ab, this ab is common here. So what will get here? 2ab.
2AB.
Okay, 2ab plus.
AB.
Now here if you see AC and AC also they are same. So we'll get here 2
2AC.
AC.
2
And third one, what will get? 2
BC.
Okay. Got it, everyone? How this formula came now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
plus B
sir.
plus C bracket square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. So here we can write one more thing. We can take out this 2 common outside. Okay. So if you write 2 common outside, what will get? Here AB plus BC plus AC. You can write like this also. Nothing is going to happen.
Sir.
Now here like as a plus b plus c bracket square. Okay. So what is our this formula? Formula you have to remember a square plus b square
B
plus
square
c square
C square.
plus 2ab
AB
AB
plus 2
bc
AC
plus
plus 2BC
plus 2 BC.
2 plus
2AC.
2ac. Okay. Now just see there, a means your p, b means q, and c means 3. So here we are going to write like this: p plus q plus 3 bracket square, then is equal to, so p square means a square means here p square. Okay, getting
B
it?
square.
Then
Yes, sir.
p square means your q square. Now here
Q square.
you have to write 3 square. 3 square we know that is a 9. 3 square is 9.
9.
Okay. Plus 2 into AB. 2 into A means P, B means Q. 2 into PQ. Plus 2 into BC. 2 into Q into 3.
Into Q into 3.
Plus 2 into A means P into 3C.
3.
So let's mute yourself. Now here P square plus Q square plus 9 plus 2 into PQ will get the 2 PQ
2 PQ
plus here 2 into 3 6, 6 into Q 6Q plus 2 into
Sir,
P.
if we write Q6, then also it's okay.
No, we are not writing like that. We have to write the number first and then later. Okay. So here we can write 6P. It's not nothing happen, but we have to write numbers first. Numbers called here coefficients and letters. Okay. That's the variables. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here we have to write 2P plus Q plus 5 bracket square. So now here we have to use the same formula. A plus B plus C bracket square. Okay. Now here we have to take, what is the formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Okay. Now here 2P plus Q. Two P plus Q plus 5 bracket square is equal to. So first A square means here you have to write 2P bracket square. When numbers are coming no with these letters, that time write in bracket. If one step will increase, nothing happen. Okay. So Q square plus 5U square. Like this you can write here 5U square. Okay. Then plus 2 into A. A means your 2P. B means Q. Write like this. Plus 2 into B means your Q. Then into C. C means your 5U. Okay. Then plus What is that? 2 into A. A means 2P here. And into C, 5. Now here, 2 square is the 4. 4P square. Plus, what is the Q square?
Q square.
It should be the Q square only, okay? Then what is the square of 5U?
25.
25.
25. Plus, now, 2 into 2,
4.
4p.
4PQ. Okay? Then plus,
Plus 2.
2
10
into
cube.
5,
10 Q.
10Q.
Q. Plus,
Plus
2 to
20
the
cube.
4. 4 5 are
4.
20.
20.
20.
So you'll get like this answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
We'll start here. Same formula is the same. Formula is not going to change. Remember, A plus B plus C bracket square. So we'll get the formula at like this: A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Okay. Now, Ishwarya, what? Here, tell me which is the A. Ishwari, speak. Somebody over there, tell me which is the year A. Okay, Sarthak.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, A is 3x.
Yes. Now we are going to take here 3x as a A. So here 3x bracket square. Okay. Then plus B square. B square means your 4y bracket square. Okay. Plus C. C's value here minus 5. We have to write minus 5 P bracket square. Okay. Then plus 2 into AB. Now 2 into A. A is your 3x. Into B. What is the B? 4y. Okay. Then plus 2 into B. B is your 4y. And C into minus 5. Write the C minus 5. Okay. Like this you can write in bracket. Plus 2 into AC. A means your, what is A? 3x. And C's value is here minus 5. P. Sorry, here P remain in this. Okay, here P remain. So 5 P. Okay. So now solve this. What is the 3 square?
9.
9. X square? X square.
X square.
X
Okay. Plus, what is the 4 square?
16 y.
square.
16.
16
Y
is
square.
y square. Now here what will get? Plus 20
Plus 25 p square.
25.
plus 25p.
25p square.
Okay. Then now plus
24
2 into
xy.
6. 6 4 are 24. 24 8 y.
XY.
XY.
Now 2 4 are 8. 8 5 are 40.
40
40.
Sign will be there negative. 40 p
Yes.
and minus 30 px.
minus
30 px.
X.
what it everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay.
First this.
Okay. If